Have you ever wondered what made the Battle of Iwo Jima one of the most iconic and pivotal battles of World War II? Picture this: a small volcanic island located halfway between Japan and the Mariana Islands, where the United States had a key objective: to capture Iwo Jima. The reason? A strategic airbase for American bombers aiming for the Japanese home islands. But it wasn't going to be a walk in the park. The Japanese, under the command of Lieutenant General Tadamichi Kuribayashi, had fortified the island with a labyrinth of tunnels, bunkers, and underground installations. The battle kicked off with a massive amphibious assault by around 70,000 United States Marines. They landed on the beaches of Iwo Jima, stepping into the first days of a battle marked by intense fighting and heavy casualties on both sides. The black volcanic sand beneath their feet and the well-prepared Japanese defenses ahead, the Marines had only just begun to taste the bitter struggle that lay ahead. Despite the harrowing conditions, a glimmer of victory shone on February 23, 1945. Amidst the chaos and carnage of the battle, a moment of triumph unfolded as the American flag was hoisted atop Mount Suribachi, the island's highest peak. This singular act was more than a military accomplishment. It was a powerful symbol of determination, resilience, and hope. Captured in a photograph by Associated Press photographer Joe Rosenthal, the flag raising became an iconic image of World War II. The snapshot of 6 Marines etching their victory against the sky resonated deeply back home and around the world. Its raw emotion and symbolic significance stirred a nation and its allies, reinforcing their resolve to fight on. The image of the flag, fluttering against the Pacific winds, became a testament to the bravery and tenacity of the American forces. However, it was merely a prelude to the fierce battles. The battle raged on, days turned into weeks, and the cost of victory grew steeper with each passing moment. Even after the iconic flag raising at Mount Suribachi, the fight was far from over. The Marines, in their onward march, encountered an intricate network of underground bunkers and tunnels, a testament to the Japanese defenders' determination and ingenuity. The battlefields echoed with the sounds of gunfire and explosions, the air heavy with the scent of cordite and valor. The toll was immense. Over 26,000 Americans were wounded or lost their lives, while the Japanese defenders, nearly 22,000 strong, were almost entirely wiped out. In spite of the heavy losses, the capture of Iwo Jima marked a turning point. This small volcanic island became a crucial airbase for American bombers, bringing the war to the very doorstep of Japan. The Battle of Iwo Jima, a testament to courage and sacrifice, left an indelible mark on the Pacific War, paving the path to the eventual Allied victory.